Today I'm diving into a world where reality twists and turns in the most unexpected ways. Yes, you guessed it. We're exploring the mind-blowing realm of optical illusions. Now imagine staring at a picture that seems just a regular portrait, but the longer you look, the more faces emerge from the shadows. How is that possible? It's all about how our brains process information. Our brains try to find the easiest way to understand complex images, and sometimes that means seeing things that aren't really there. Let's talk about the famous cafe wall illusion. You see rows of black and white tiles, right? But do they look a bit slanted? That's your mind playing tricks on you. The contrasting colors and the placement of the tiles create an illusion of tilt, even though the lines are perfectly parallel. Now, moving to something even cooler, the dynamic illusions. These make it feel like the image is moving, swirling, or pulsing, even though it's completely static. Stare at the center of a spinning spiral for a minute, then look away. Suddenly the world seems to grow and shrink, making you feel like you're on a roller coaster. And who can forget the famous Rubens vase? What do you see first? A vase or two faces looking at each other. This illusion plays on our ability to switch between seeing a figure and the background. It challenges our perception and beautifully illustrates how perspective can change everything. Optical illusions are not just fun tricks. They are powerful tools that teach us about our visual perception. They remind us that what we see is not always the truth, but a beautifully complex interpretation created by our minds. So the next time you come across an optical illusion, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and the science behind it. It's a fascinating reminder of how wonderfully complex and mysterious our perception of the world can be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed unraveling these visual mysteries with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep exploring this incredible world together.